Hello YouTube. So today I'll talk about how to choose friends, or for that matter, how to choose people who follow on YouTube. Because maybe you might not talk to real human beings, but you're always on the phone consuming data, always scrolling reels. I am like so much against YouTube for just adding that reels concept. It's good as well. Nothing wrong with it. It's good, but yeah, sometimes I just see people just standing there. I have 15 minutes of time and I want to utilize it to watching reels, and it's so random. There's no control we have right now on our brains. It's very random that anything pops out on your screen and you are like, what the fuck, what's happening on the screen? So it's like we are not even in control of what kind of data we are consuming. So first thing is, I advise people to watch long form of content. Although I do make shorts, if it helps you, it's well and good. But the more you consume long form of, I would say podcasts or some kinds of like books they are the best. If you can read books, they are the best, and if you can consume podcasts on internet, the best. And how to select friends now. So when you go with people, some people would be like, अरे यार उसने कल वैसा किया था, and he is a bad person and you should not talk to him. If you just surrounded by these kind of people who are just talking about people, they're like, this person, you should not go there, you should not talk to this person. They're always like critical, suspicious, and it feels like all the bad things. Like, I have observed people, like some people used to complain about the food, or some people used to complain about some things, and I used to find out that, oh no, all wrong things happen to these people only. How come? Because that's the nature of universe. The more you complain about life, the life will just serve you that on a very sweet platter. Just don't complain. If you don't like something, just say, I'm out of this, sorry. Because I used to be invited on to different kind of people, different kind of rooms. If you live in hostel, you'll be invited to different kind of parties. You'd always be different places where you could have been right now at this moment. But it's your choice. It's your choice. Altogether, it's your choice. Which room doors you're knocking on. Because once you lose that time, the time which is not spent well, be it with your friends, be it is it's about complaining, worrying, cribbing, that time is, to me, that is a lost time. You can't make up for that time. So instead of that, be with people who appreciate life, who appreciate things, who appreciate the food, who appreciate everything in this universe. These are the kind of people you should always hang out with, and these are the kind of podcasts also you should be following, or you should be reading about.